Welcome! In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the process of permanently deleting your Facebook account. Whether you're looking for a fresh start or just want to step away from social media, I'll make sure you know exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Once you're in, let's access your settings. 1. Tap on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. 2. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. This section is where you can manage your account settings. 3. Now, tap on Account Center at the top of the Settings menu. Here, you'll find options related to your account management. 4. Next, select Personal Details. This will lead you to more specific account options. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. This is where you can manage what happens to your account. Choose Deactivation and Deletion. This is an important step as it gives you options for account management. Now, it's time to delete your account. 1. Select Delete Account and follow the on-screen instructions. It will prompt you through the necessary steps. 2. You'll be asked to enter your password to verify your identity and confirm the deletion. Finally, you need to confirm your decision. 1. Confirm that you want to delete your account. Keep in mind that the deletion process takes 30 days. During this time, if you change your mind, you can cancel the deletion simply by logging back into your account. And that's it. You've successfully initiated the process to permanently delete your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on managing your online presence. Take care.